First help level for Solana is at $28.20, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Solana by and large is as of now esteemed at $112.76 Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which for the most part is very critical. Solana's MA10 truly shows a vertical pattern, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will really walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time generally clarified pressing issues facts. What most certainly is by and large transient cost expectation for Solana, explicitly is Sol a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Solana support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Sol specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of enormous manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 184%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,954,858, 536, 446 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $57,261, 752, 591 amazingly. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an especially enormous manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Solana's MA10 truly shows a vertical pattern in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period in an essentially large manner. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 5.31 and right now exchanging at $112.76, showing how Solana's MA10 generally shows a vertical pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions generally show that the market essentially is going in a genuinely descending bearing for especially present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, a very broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, especially further appearance how as of now, a general truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they by and large thought. Solana backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a really significant manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that moreover XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem in a sort of significant way. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants by and large move really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is very critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Solana Sol, Solana execution, the cost of Solana Sol. Truly is at $112.76 or up 5.31% in the beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 3.95% throughout the week, exhibiting that Solana's MA10 generally shows a vertical pattern, or so they in every practical sense thought. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 1,323,512, 161 US, while for the most part complete market cap came to $49,697,339.70 US, which truly is genuinely huge. There especially are very nearly 440, 721,948 by and large are available for use out of 569,875 in 6044. So Solana in a real sense is by esteemed at $112.76 Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in a sort of significant manner. Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for 18 February 2024 inside a by and large everyday time period certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1954,858, 536, 446, which truly is very huge. We utilize especially relative strength indices, moving essentially normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving extremely normal SMA and remarkable moving kind of normal MA to in a real sense break down the future development of the Solana, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. The Sol used moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity MACD market truly is demonstrating a very present moment certainly sell especially signal, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath sort of sign line which most certainly implies generally bears truly are ruling on the lookout, which for the most part shows that as of now, and in every practical sense, general kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, especially further appearance how right now, a sort of broad in every practical sense. Negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. While Sol's Williams percent R pointer basically is at 49,481 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange in every practical sense, signal in a real sense is in every way that really matters conceivable at this reach, which explicitly shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, exhibiting how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in a truly significant manner. The very relative strength file RSI for Sol coin in every practical sense is as of now floating at 31 for 14 days in every practical sense normal line, which explicitly implies Sol generally is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, showing how furthermore XRP came to $56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem in a truly significant way. Ends as per our specialized examination information. The extremely transient figure for the Solana cost by and large is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing, exhibiting how right now an exceptionally broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how as of now, and in every way that really matters, general kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The digital money Solana appears to basically be on the ascent once more, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% incredibly. A huge profit from speculation return on initial capital investment explicitly is in every way that really matters, anticipated in the event that you obtain the money some time back, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital currency market to $954,858, 536, 446 in an unpretentious manner.